Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Binance Copy Trading. So Binance Copy Trading right here allows users to automatically replicate the futures or spot trades of experienced lead traders, making it ideal for beginners seeking to leverage professional strategies. So let's just go ahead over to trade right here and just click on Copy Trading. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, all you got to do next is just basically select a trader. Browse through the portfolio list right here, okay? And the daily picks right here will refresh, okay? So select a trader and the metrics will be seen right here as well. Now, for example, I want to copy this trader right here, Acolyte Trader. So quick copy. So fixed ratio. What is this? This one is a proportional investment based on the trader's portfolio size. So if you can see fixed amount right here, well, that means that it is set to a specific dollar amount per trade. So what we're going to do next is just basically define our total investment amount and then the stop loss or take profit settings to manage risk. So for example, you can max your USDT right here. You can use copy all existing positions or copy better entries or do not copy existing positions. So just for this example, I'm just going to be using copy better entries. Now tap away and agree. Okay, and once done, just tap on copy. And by the way, if you don't like the configuration of this specific trader, you can just go back. You have more settings right here. You can go ahead and enter the stop loss and adjust either fixed ratio or fixed amount. And also, when you close this prompt, you have a ton of portfolios available. The ones that are full will be listed at the very top. And you'll have some other options right here to copy. So once it's active, the system will automatically mirror the lead trader's positions, closing, and risk management actions. You'll be able to see that in here at the very top, and you can just go ahead and stop copying if you want to. Okay, there will be a button that says stop copying here under your dashboard. And then after that, the funds will be returned to your spot wallet. And that's basically it. That is how you use Binance Copy Trading. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.